Today we are looking at an Emerson Premium. This is the smaller version. I'm not sure the exact size. As you can see, it's white and polished brass. And it has this weird bowl light kit, which I'm pretty certain is not original. As you can see, there's no third hole for the pull chain there. It only has two. So it does have the uplight, of course, which is this one. It's kind of difficult to film here with this garage door here. But there's the uplight. And the bottom light. 360 watt bulbs, candelabra. It is very, very bright. I think we should leave the uplight on. It looks kind of cool. This showed up on my local Craigslist. So the bottom light takes 3 bulbs and the uplight takes 3. I only have 2 in the uplight. I have to climb this ladder to get up to it because it's so high up. Can't reach the chains. And we're starting to get that weird effect on the camera because it has an LED. Have one incandescent and one LED in the uplight. And you can actually see, this is in my garage, and it kind of lights up the whole roof, which is really neat. This is high speed. That's about it here. I forgot to show the top. Alright, and that is all I have for this Emerson Premium.